Hi, I'm Ted Parker, co-president of Vibrant Health, to tell you about Spectrum Vibrance, our antidote for the typical brown, beige, white, and virtually colorless American diet. Spectrum Vibrance is our full-spectrum antioxidant superfood. With 38 high-performing plant-based ingredients, each serving provides the nutritional equivalent of 4.5 servings of fruits and vegetables. What's more, the formula delivers a broad range of vital health benefits. And with an ORAC value of 143,590, it's one of the most potent antioxidant formulas on the market. ORAC, or oxygen radical absorbance capacity, is the measurement of the free radical fighting strength of an antioxidant. The higher the ORAC value, the more ability it has to reduce oxidative stress to the cells. Spectrum Vibrance also supports free radical scavenging, immune health, eye health, heart health, and longevity with botanical extracts and bioactive food substances such as lycopene, astaxanthin, phycocyanin, turmeric, and curcuminoids. Like all Vibrant Health formulas, we source and manage every ingredient for Spectrum Vibrance for maximum quality and potency. We also list every ingredient by dose on the label so you know exactly what you're getting. After 30 years, we remain dedicated to crafting our award-winning family of science-based products with your optimal health in mind. We're proud to have built a company that delivers nutrition you can trust.